headlines. Army better prepared to take on enemies, says General Bipin Rawat. Pauna Library opens at Tripura's Puthiba Devtabari. And 100 organizations to fight CAA, NPR and NRC. Good afternoon, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Outgoing Indian Army Chief General Bipin Rawat, who has been appointed as India's first Chief of Defence Staff, said the Indian Army is better equipped to take on challenges from enemies and that he will now plan a new strategy for his fresh role. As per media reports, Rawat, who received his farewell guard of honor as the Army Chief today, expressed gratitude to the soldiers, rank and file of Indian Army who stood steadfast under challenging circumstances. Rawat also conveyed best wishes to Lieutenant General Manoj Mukund Naravane, who will be assuming office as the 28th Army Chief. For now, Rawat wants to fulfill his role as Chief of Army Staff till he hands over responsibilities to Lieutenant General Naravane, who is currently serving as the Vice Chief of the Army Staff. General Bipin Rawat will take over as the new CDS after retiring as Army Chief today. As CDS, Rawat will assume a key role where he will be the single point of contact for the government. The CDS will also be the first among equals. With respect to the three service chiefs, all 4-star officers themselves who will retain the operational command of their respective forces. Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society, Abhyunagar, Agartala opened a Pauna Library at Puthiba Devtabari. The library inauguration function was attended by Mayor of Agartala Municipal Council, Dr. R.K. Prafullajit Singha, President of Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society, Tripura, M. Indramani Singha, President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad, Tripura, R.K. Jitendrajit Singha, and several others. At the event, 10 elders of the area were presented with gifts besides showcasing a Meitei traditional dance. During the event, President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad, Tripura R.K. Jitendrajit Singha said that the library will help the new Meitei generation in Tripura in knowing their history. Jitendrajit asserted that even though there are books in the library, we need to build a culture of library which is a great force. Around 100 organizations from across the country have decided to fight against the Citizenship Amendment Act, the National Population Register and the National Register of Citizens under one banner, We the People of India, Hum Bharat ke Log Hain. As per media reports, Yogesh Yadav, the founder of Swaraj Abhiyan Party, along with Rashtriya Seva Dal President Ganesh Devi, student leader Kanhaiya Kumar, United Against Hate member Umar Khalid and human rights activist Harsh Mandar, Megha Patkar and Assam's Aro Borbora were present in a meeting held at TISS Mumbai. The group has decided to launch a series of nationwide protests and demonstrations starting from January 3rd, the birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule. The protests are to be held on significant days that mark the birth or death anniversaries of notable people. 4 cadres of the band KYKL were arrested by Thawbal Police Commando during counter-insurgency operation at Thawbal Wangmataba today at around 8:30 am. The operation was carried out under the supervision of Thawbal Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomja. The team was led by Thawbal Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Sachidanandan Soibam. The arrested cadres were identified as Leshangthem Amujau Meitei alias Ngamba, age 27, of Thawbal Leshangthem, 18-year-old Sadokpam Nongpo Kanpa alias Nanao of Fanjakong Maning Lekai, 21-year-old Khagembam Athoy Singh alias Nautomba of Samara Maya Lekai, and Mayanglambam Khoiraba alias Achoba, age 20, of Kakshin Kunau Awang Lekai. Upon interrogation, it came to light that all the cadres received basic military training in Myanmar. They were later handed over to Thawbal police station for further legal action, a police report said. We have a short commercial break now. Coming up next. Manipur Chief Minister and Biren wishes people a happy and prosperous New Year. More after the break.
Admission open, admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na recognize Toraba Royal Academy of Science Wangkayim Falgi Academic Session 2021 gi Mingchanabagidamag Class 6 tagina 10 Faubagi Form Thaba Hausare Afaba Satra Laizade Afaba Satra Putok Jabani Akopa Marol Gidamag Academy Office ta contact Togi
Singzu Festival 2020 from 28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manuchanna
Thangta,
blood donation camp,
Mukna,
painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon,
Miss Singju Queen 2020. Lamdam asida khundaminariba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthokjaragani.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Lamdam masida khundaminariba isna punamakna
Toidana saruk yaba lakpiyu. Wangjing Kodong Popi Lampakta pangthokjaragani.
Lamdam asigi miyamna saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Welcome back. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has wished the people of Manipur a happy and prosperous New Year. In his message, Biren stated that Manipur has set a new history by extending inner line permit system to the state. Biren wished that 2020 bring a renewed hope and confidence in facing and overcoming challenges. Volunteers of Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee Manipur rescued a trapped bird from Eco Path early this morning. Following information that 2 wild birds were being trapped, a team of WBCC volunteers rushed to the site. One of the birds was found dead in the trap set by unknown people, while the other bird was given treatment by veterinary Dr. O. Bhagyapati and later released it safely to the open sky, according to a report. Wellness Development Office HNSC More Technopal District organized a district-level training cum workshop on the theme Scientific Coconut Cultivation, Technologies, Value Addiction in Coconut, Akwakta Kunjao Community Hall yesterday. Wellness Development Officer of Horticulture Department More Zakir Hussain, Village Head Ningthojam Kamal Singh and others attended the program. As a part of the training program, around 600 coconut saplings along with fertilizers were distributed to the participants. Prizes for 7th Kumbi constituency level competition for class 1 to 12 held on 27th and 28th of this month were distributed yesterday at Kumbi Sandong Upper Primary School of Kumbi. Bishnupu constituency MLA Govindas Konthojam, Sugnu MLA K. Ranjit Singh, former MLA and Mangi Singh and several dignitaries attended the function. Around 300 students from various schools of Kumbi took part in the competition, which was held in different categories: essay writing, monologue, debating, sports, painting, and many more were held during the competition. Talking at the occasion, Govindas Konthaujam stressed on the importance of extracurricular activities for overall development of an individual.
School da kaya lakma kamda ozana karke takbir ati etu da hamma kamda ai isa sing sidai so jana pa do in hajaring madi koi isa sing ji paraba kan thakada akoi gi lem da holan oi ne akoi gi permanent asset permanent lang sing kai mar na da ai isa sing apo isa sing sidai koi gi lang oi ne.
K. Ranjit, in his speech, lauded headmaster of Kumbi Primary Sandong School, Indra Kumar, who is also a national awardee, for his immense contribution in upgrading the school.
School da posao ni ba mayam se Kumbi kendra ki manung da laiba Sandong Upper Primary School ki headmaster laiba hangem bam posa Indra Kumar ki matau se Saruk tara kumuli ama khatang Manipur da laiba government ki posa sing na saruk ama khatang tamba mabukan ba Manipuri education chapok tari ai school sabu se na ya apni
Arunachal Pradesh Governor V.D. Mishra advised the state government to focus on elementary education to strengthen it. As per media reports, during a meeting yesterday with Education Minister Taba Tedir at the Raj Bhavan in Itanagar, the governor said school children should be motivated and encouraged by their teachers to study well and play regularly to keep fit. The governor also advised the minister to direct the school authorities to regularly visit the schools and motivate the teachers and students to participate in cleanliness drives. Mishra said that the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan must be an ongoing passion with the youth to promote cleanliness and good hygiene and sanitation habits in the state. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Young what?
Soktabano lodi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabado Koknaba Rebalance. Rebalance the Haksang Soul Amadi electrolytes singi awat pamekatuna. Adongi Haksangu tagat tikna tambangamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Adongi angangbu wakal buddhi lausing thawhanaba Mithoi mihenba amadi punsida mai pakpa ma soidran oinabagidamak ngasimok lengsin birau Genius Mind Tech mafam asida Japan gi akhanaba technology amagi matengna Sunday khudingi pangthok liba mid brain activation course ase saruk yahanbiu akhoi gi akhanaba course singdi DMIT test ESP LNP photogenic memory quantum speed reading asina chingbani course khudimaki chada chama guarantee pijari akopa moral gidama contact tabiu 9862287481 natraga 8787562714 khoi gi website www.gmtmanipur.in.
Admission open for Grace Goddess Academy Kaching. CBSE da affiliate tauraba Grace Goddess Academy gi admission hauzare. February tang ahom dagi regular class hauzaragani amadi lakliba January gi tang ahom dagi class 9 gi foundation course amadi class 10 gi question nature nainagadauri masida mahirui singna saruk yanaba khanganjari. Nupa nupi gi tongan ba boarding su laizai loina na bus amadi winger service Kaching Funal Kairak Langmaidong Palel Sora Tekcham Tentha Wangjing su laizai. Hena akupa marol gi damak contact tobiu Grace Goddess Academy Kaching contact number 9366424189.
Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawaso Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available. Digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 70051-31423 or 70051-72365.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance Namkhal Khudimaki Gari Singh Haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singiba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makhal Khudimaki Gari Kayasu Bandan Lawzari. Christmas ki waiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple Natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai.
Aikoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taujari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba servicing di yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thangnariba state sing da anaba sing puba amadi lauba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9th January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Welcome back. Two Tamil Nadu journalists have been booked for interviewing Sri Lankan refugees and writing a news story on their perspective on the CAA and NRC issue. A media report said that a reporter and a photojournalist from the Vikatan group were booked under Indian Penal Code sections 188, disobedience to order duly promulgated by Public Servant 477, criminal trespass, and 505 1B, publishing material with an intent to cause fear or alarm. Their fire claims the duo entered a refugee camp and instigated the refugees to conduct a revolution against CAA. They have been booked under non-bailable charges and the police are trying to track them down. In Tamil Nadu, the issue of Sri Lankan Tamil refugees is part of the ongoing debate on the Citizenship Amendment Act. The law only covers illegal immigrants belonging to 6 non-Muslim minority religious groups from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Several opposition parties have demanded the Sri Lankan Tamils be included in the purview of the legislation. Now we have the sports news. A 7-a-side under-17 girls football tournament 2019 was held yesterday at Chungthang Senapung Langthabal, organized by District Administration Imphal East. ESU defeated AMMA by 2-1 in the final match of the tournament, which was held on the theme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Football Tournament 2019. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar, MLA of Nauria, Panghang Lakpa S. Subhash Chandra Yaisku MLA, T.H. Satyabrata, Chief Secretary of Manipur J. Suresh Babu, Principal Secretary V. Vunlungmang, and well-known football players P. Renedy, Oinam Bimbim and Nangom Bala witnessed the final match.
Waiting for 30,000 in cash key.
On a mission to scale the 7 tallest summits located in 7 continents, India's Malava Purna finished the year's 2019 in style as she conquered Mount Vinson Massif in Antarctica. As per media reports, after achieving the feat, the 18-year-old from Telangana also became the first tribal woman in the world to set foot on the 6 tallest mountain peaks across 6 continents. So far, Purna has scaled Mount Everest in Asia, Africa's Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Elbrus in Europe, Mount Aconcagua of South America, Mount Carstens in Oceania, and Mount Vinson Massif in Antarctica. North Korea has withdrawn its women's soccer team for the final round of 2020 Tokyo Olympics qualifiers at South Korea in February next, according to media reports. The North has sent a letter informing it of its withdrawal from the tournament and that global governing body FIFA was also aware of the decision. The two Koreas remain technically at war after the Korean War ended in a truce and not a peace treaty. And while there was a flurry of sports diplomacy between the neighbors last year, ties have again cooled over stalled negotiations over the North's nuclear weapons and ballistic missiles. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. No need for further discussion on CAA, says Viren. CPI threatens stare, demands Sotin Kumar's release. 10 years imprisonment for rapist. Murder attempt accused sent to judicial custody. The People's Chronicle. Further discourse on CAA not necessary, says Chief Minister Viren. Government to consult stakeholders on ILPS. Neighbors in views of state's health sector, says Jayant Kumar. CPI stages sit-in, demands release of Sotin Kumar. Man gets 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. Another convicted in rape cases. Imphal Free Press. Viren tax U-turn. Says no need for Citizenship Act debate. Jayant Kumar takes pride in Public Health Index ranking. Manipur Mail. New Pureromba market complex to be constructed. Prime Minister launches campaign on CAA. BJP MP joins opposition leaders to criticize law and order situation in UP.
Now the top news headlines once again. Army better prepared to take on enemies, says General Bipin Rawat. Pauna Library opens at Tripura's Puthiba Devtabari. And 100 organizations to fight CAA, NPR and NRC. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.